Hey everybody, welcome back to our next day of Thursday for at-home learning. So let's take a peek at our math packet. So remember, we did day 2 yesterday, so today is going to be day 3, and it starts with something called a fraction talk. So for this problem, it's similar to the ones we've had before, where you're going to need to finish figuring out which each of these squares are worth. So the best strategy is to draw a line and count your squares. So let's look at this. What fraction of the big square is represented by the white space? So before I can find a fraction, I have to realize that this is the whole. This big red square is the whole, but I cut out some things from the middle. I have to figure out how much I cut out. So I'm going to draw my lines and I'm going to just extend it. Do you see how I just drew my line and I just went swoop, and I'm going to do it again, but this time I'm going to go this way. It's going to be a little crooked, but it will straighten for me. And I'm going to do it again until I'm going to just follow the white squares that I see here. And do you see how I'm already making a little checkerboard almost is what it looks like. I'm just using the tops of the white part. Now, oh, I have another one. I almost said I'm done with this, but I'm not. Look, boom, and boom. Now I'm going to take a step back and I'm going to look and I'm going to make sure they're all equal, and they are. So now I can count how much this is broken into. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 5 is 25. So it is cut into 20-fifths. So I'm going to make my 20-fifths. Now the question is, how much is the white part? So I got to count each white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5/20. Oops, it's 5/25. I don't know why it's not letting me make a 5, but I'll make another 5 right here. Now, in 4th grade, you're going to have to reduce your fraction. So my question is, how many 5s go into 5? 1. And how many 5s go into 25? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 5/25 is the same thing as 1/5. So there is 1/5 of this red square covered by white. But your answer is 5/25, and you can go that extra step by reducing that fraction to be the smallest denominator that you can have. And 5/25 is the same thing as 1/5. Okay? You can kind of see because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can see how I can actually cut it a little bit more to get that because it's 5/25. Okay. Now, which one doesn't belong? Now, we've done this before, but we've done it with numbers or with shapes. But what you're going to do is look at these rectangles and look very closely. Which one doesn't belong and why? Now, first and foremost, I can notice the perimeter. Remember, the perimeter is the outside. So let's look at the outside of all these rectangles. 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. That still counts. 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so they all have 4 on top, a little different. 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2, and 2, okay? 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2, and 2, okay? 4, 2, 3, 4, 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, so they all have the same perimeter. They all have the same perimeter as 4 plus 4 is 8, 9, 10. They all have 12 centimeters. Now, so that can't be a reason because I have to find which one doesn't belong and why. So I want to give you guys a moment, like right away. I think this one doesn't belong. It's the only one that cut the rectangles into triangles. This could be the one that doesn't belong. Why does this one not belong? So I want you to really think about which one can't fit and why. We did this when we had, if you were on the Zoom call with me, we had the cake and we had the cookie and you had to figure out which one doesn't belong. We've also done it with, we had the spinach and you had the grapes and you had to figure out why don't those fit? They all grow from a garden, but which one doesn't belong and why? So just put the reason right next to the picture, what you don't think belongs. See if you can find 2 different things that don't belong. 2, that's my challenge. And the last question, boys and girls, is called a visual pattern, and I love these. Take a peek at this. I tried to write down what's happening. So it looks like 2 fuchsias. 2 fuchsias here, 3 fuchsias, 2. And then it goes 3 fuchsias, 3, 3. And then it goes 4 fuchsias, 3, 4. What would be the next pattern? Do you notice something happening? I want you to see if you can continue with the next fuchsia pattern, okay? Give it a try, give it a go, and tell me what you think, or send me a picture if you need help. I'll absolutely help you. You guys are gonna rock this today. Good luck, everybody. This is a pretty short and sweet one. I will see you guys tomorrow for Friday. Have a great day. Bye.